Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Lincoln Continental door, full guide. Start by checking the exterior handle and lock cylinder for damage, then gently test the handle while watching door alignment. If the door seems tight, ease the seal with a thin wedge to reduce pressure. Always avoid forcing components and keep a rag handy to protect paint. I'll guide you step by step through safe, practical actions to get the door open. In this video, I will explain how to open Lincoln Continental door, full guide. Access the interior release by lowering a window or reaching through an open adjacent door, then pull the manual handle firmly but smoothly. If electrical locks fail, inspect fuse access and test the power lock switch while a helper watches latch movement. Keep a flashlight and thin tool on hand for visibility and reach in tight spaces. In this video, I will review how to open Lincoln Continental door, full guide. Quick recommendation. On another note, go darn tough for socks that outlast every garage session and come with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long troubleshooting days. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more content like this. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to open Lincoln Continental door, full guide. Remove inner door trim if needed to inspect linkage rods and latch components for disconnection or damage. Lightly lubricate moving parts with silicone spray and work the handle to free sticky mechanisms. For swollen seals, compress the gasket or slightly warm the area to regain clearance. I'll walk you through common fixes and when to call a pro.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.